What's up? Good morning, y'all. Your boy Domino 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Domino 7 Show Facebook Live. Okay? Alright, y'all. So, things is going good so far. I want to thank God for waking me up this morning. Okay? Lord, thank you so much for waking me up this morning. I cannot complain. Lord, thank you for the roof over my head, clothes on our backs, food on the table, shoes on our feet, warm bed we sleep in, and anything possible. You know. Thank you for water. Thank you for electricity. Okay. Yep. So there's some people out there that are homeless and stuff like that. There's some people out there that that are sleeping under bridges and stuff like that, on hard concrete and stuff like that. So yeah. All right. So yeah, that's all to it. So as I was saying though, so much going on in this world. Oh, good morning. How you doing? All right, I'm doing the show in case you're wondering. You don't want to be on the show, huh? Well, you don't have to. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was talking to a neighbor. Okay, so as I was saying, y'all, you gotta thank God for everything you have. You know what I'm saying? There's some people out there that don't have nothing. Not even a roof over their head or whatever. Some people sleeping under bridges and stuff like that, in the rain and the heat, in the cold weather and stuff like that. When it's cold, when it's hot, anything possible. So all I'm saying, y'all, you have to thank God for what you have. Always thank God for what you have. What a beautiful Friday morning, okay? What a beautiful Friday morning. I could sing, but I can't sing. My birthday is coming up soon. Me and my twin brother's birthday coming up soon. So my friend Suzanne's birthday is coming up very soon too. So my neighbor coming up. I hope she come this way. I don't even know if she want to be on the show or not. But we'll have to see. Okay. So so anyway, y'all. All right. So what's next for our agenda? All right. I got two people watching me so far. Okay. Yep. Two people watching me so far. All right. So hold on a minute. Good morning. How you doing? I'm doing a show right now. Yep. You want to be on the show? I was hoping you'd come this way. All right. All right. I'm talking to a neighbor. Hold on. All right. Now you're on the show. All right. Yeah. Yeah. God is good. All right. Okay. Ain't she cute, y'all? All right. I'm pretty sure she gonna watch this when it uploads. Good morning, brother. How are you doing today? I'm doing great, bro. I can't complain. Somebody named Emmanuel just 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 commented on this Facebook Live. Okay. All right. So all right. So I know my family gonna be watching this. All right. Domino can't complain, y'all. All right, so now I'm inside. All right. Yep, changes after changes. Okay. Look at the look at here. OBS had changed. I upgraded it. Uh huh. Yep. Doing this gameplay. the Grizzlies in the league. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching so far. All right. So I'll talk to y'all later. Okay. Good morning, Friday. Okay. Good morning. Happy Friday morning. All right. Peace out.